Good afternoon, Jeremy Britton here with Ben from CollectiveShift. We're at AusCryptoCon, allegedly the biggest crypto event in the Southern Hemisphere. And normally we sit on the other side of the tables because you're more into day trading, I'm more into long-term buy and hold. But at the moment we're both sort of looking at the opportunities in cryptocurrency, about 30% off discount. So if anybody wants to buy some crypto at the moment, it's very good. Where do you see the market heading from here?
Oh yeah, we've been pretty risk off the last few months, just with the way the market's tracking. Not a lot of retail investors are excited about the market right now. Very institutional heavy. I believe we're in a mid-cycle correction. With everything that's going on with the uncertainty in the US. I do believe we're going to bottom here around currently at 85 at the time of recording. Bottom forming around potentially 75,000 is some micro strategy average buy price. I think something around those levels will probably be key. Yeah. If you're new to crypto, it's a pretty good time to buy though.
Yeah. So someone told me that the cost of mining a Bitcoin at the moment is around about that $85,000. So I'm not expecting it's going to go any lower than the cost of production. That's like selling a house for cheaper than what it actually costs to build. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, well, it happened in 2021 when the mining was getting so expensive. But miners were going under and getting going bankrupt because they were forced selling at losses to try and save their businesses. So although it is at level, miners do capitulate during these sort of huge sell-off periods because they have to try and run the business. So I wouldn't say it's like an absolute bottom where we are right now. Potentially could go a little bit lower, but I mean, if you think Bitcoin was good at 120, it's pretty good at 85.
I thought it was good at 20 and then it dropped down to 6. So
I remember when Ethereum went from 80 to 1,000 back to 100. That was painful.
Yes. Yeah. So how long have you been in the market now, mate?
Nearly 8 years now. So we focus primarily on longer term investing, trying to get into good assets, accumulate as much Bitcoin as we can. But we're more active than just a set and forget. So probably in between a trading and set and forget fund. We're probably like the feeding ground to what you guys do. So yeah, we're kind of more for people that are wanting to still manage their own assets and still manage what they want to do in crypto, but not be completely hands off.
Yeah, I mean, there's some people who just like Bitcoin only, Bitcoin maxis. What are your thoughts on the altcoin market?
The only reason I buy altcoins is to buy more Bitcoin. So I'm a profit maxi, I'm a wealth maxi, I want to make money. So the only reason I buy altcoins is to accumulate more Bitcoin. I'm currently majority Bitcoin in my portfolio because the altcoins have been underperforming. We've had two altcoins in particular this year have done really well for us. 70-80% this year, while BTC is currently down about 15% year to date. Yeah. But that's very selective selection of altcoins because again we wanted to outperform Bitcoin. That's the goal.
Fantastic. That's great advice. Use the altcoins to get more Bitcoin and more other assets as well, obviously. So have you talked to any of the lenders around here? I see there's guys lending on Bitcoin and lending on mortgages and things like that. It's really becoming a mainstream asset because 5 years ago you could only take a loan against your house, right?
100%. That's a massive opportunity. I mean, I'm lending against my Bitcoin. I have done. I believe it's the future. It's how the wealthy make more wealth. They use property and they lend against their property and they don't pay CGT tax. So it's essentially what you want to do with your Bitcoin. Accumulate Bitcoin, lend against it, buy more assets.
Absolutely. Thank you very much,
Thanks,
mate.
man. Appreciate it.
Really good talking to you.
Thank you.